Good morning, everybody. Up early for another goose hunt today. Early season is winding down here in Virginia, but we still have hardly any fields cut in our area. So today we are heading back out to the river for another float hunt. It's just going to be Drew and I. We're heading out to a stretch of river that I've never hunted before. I believe he's only scouted before. So pretty new to both of us. We were supposed to have a third guy. Unfortunately, he had to bail late last night. Hopefully we can make it work with just the two of us. It is a pretty wide stretch of river, so sometimes these are pretty tough to execute floats on with just two people, but gonna give it our best shot. Gonna get on the water early because it is also a long stretch of river through here. Probably gonna be an 8-10 hour float, so gonna try to avoid that midday heat. So I'm gonna hit the road and we will see you out there. Three more. Left? Left?
On that side.
Damn! Wow, it's a big one there. Another big one. Yep, blue wings. First teal we've seen all season. Oh my god. I hit the third one I shot at. I hit and he actually landed, and then I shot at him again and died. That's not what you want. Classic Drew. Is that a pigeon? No, it's a killdeer. Little one.
I know.
Feathers all over this rock outcrop.
Well, I don't know. Look at the end of that one wing.
Oh yeah, I didn't even see that.
What is that?
I don't know if that's angel's wing or what. It's kind of what it looks like, but that's why he didn't fly right there and have his flight feathers on one side.
Is he still good to eat?
What?
Would he still be good to eat?
Yeah, it'll still be fine. That one that we shot on the last float that was crippled, their meat gets really light because they're not using it. Like, it looks like chicken. There he goes. That was awesome. It's the closest I've got to one in a while. There's some out in the middle too. They might be strung out across the river, I can't tell. wary birds there. Might have been the same ones we ran into this morning. Man, this is one of the worst little sections of rapids I've ever had to pick my way through. It's just like 6 inches to 3 inches deep all the way through here. I'm sure that's why the geese were in here, but tough to pick your way through this. Little campsite here. What's up, Bessie? 2 Bessies. How y'all doing, girls? Trying to stay cool? Don't blame you. Might as well make things interesting and hit the big rapid. I don't know about this one. Why not? Woo!
That one almost hit you.
It got me pretty good.
Did you almost go over it?
No. That was probably the biggest wave I've taken over the boat though this September. Just saw a bunch of birds slip into this cut right here. It's a long island, so Drew's gonna swing around the back side of it and see if he can cut them off. I'm just gonna wait right here and see if they come flying out the top when he shoots. If he doesn't shoot for a while, I'll go ahead and float through there. Sounds like Drew got some shooting though. Got him, but I feel pretty dumb about that one. Just got greedy and the whole flock was going down and I saw 2 kind of line up. So took a shot and I don't know, just peppered this one basically, and then just completely rushed my other 2 shots. And didn't even think to pull out Onyx while I was waiting up there and check to see if there's a side channel. I could have snuck right in there on them instead of coming down on the kayak. It was just too shallow for the kayak. I needed to get out on foot and try and get around them, but live and learn. Oh yeah, just keep sending them my way. Drew just knocked a bunch of pawpaws out of those trees there. For those of you that don't know, pawpaws are a type of fruit that ripen here about late September. In Virginia, you can find them a lot of times along rivers. We got a handful of them. Might have to try and do a little goose recipe with them. I don't know how we'd incorporate them, but I'm sure there's some way. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's float. I did want to touch on those shots I took right there at the end before we wrap this one up, along with a couple other things. overall, I had a lot of fun today. It was a super scenic stretch of river, saw a lot of wildlife and some really cool scenery, and we ended up with 7 birds, so no complaints about any of that. The only bad part today was my stupid decision making right there at the end. Really just boils down to a lack of self-control. In that moment, I made a really idiotic choice to shoot into the flock of birds. Went back and watched the shot cam, and it was pretty cringeworthy. I think it just was an unethical shot at the end of the day. I mean, that's the only way to put it. Moving forward, I am going to have to exhibit more self-control in that situation, be willing to just not fire the gun if that's the only shot the birds are going to give me in that situation. Definitely not the first mistake I've made waterfowl hunting, and certainly probably won't be the last, but hopefully it is the last time I take that shot. If you do have any goose recipes that incorporate pawpaws into them, I'd really appreciate if you leave in the comments section. I do want to try and do a goose hunt cook video with some pawpaws, because we should still be able to get a few more next weekend, I would think. And if you guys enjoy these waterfowl hunting videos, I'd really appreciate if you click that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of the other hunts I have coming out this fall, because I'll have quite a few more here in the next few weeks as we get into our early duck season here in Virginia as well as other states. Hope everybody out there is staying safe. God bless, and thanks for watching.